Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I'll be taking you part 3 of a video series, Common Shona words and how to pronounce them. So let's do this. First word is same. In Shona, fanana, fanana. Okay, next word, different. In Shona, siyana, siyana. Okay, big. In Shona, hombe, hombe. Small. In Shona, diki, diki. Lightning, many, many. Okay, forgive. In Shona, regerera, regerera. Happy, fara, fara. Health. In Shona is utano, utano. Friend, shamwari, shamwari. Relative, as in your relative, people close to you. In Shona, it's hama, hama. Wealth, as in the wealthiest person in the world. Wealth. In Shona, it's upfumi, upfumi. Okay, let's continue. Polygamy. In Shona, it's barika, barika. Wear, as in the clothes that you're wearing. Wear. In Shona, it's feka, feka. Okay. Toilet. In Shona, it's chimbuzi, chimbuzi. Cup. In Shona, komichi, komichi. Plate, ndiro, ndiro. Spoon, chipunu, chipunu, as in the spoon that you use to eat. It's chipunu. Okay. Pot, poto, poto. So this word sounds like it was directly derived from the English word. So yeah, that's how it is. So pot in Shona, it's poto. Money in Shona, mari, mari. Journey in Shona, rwendo, rwendo. Air, mweya, mweya. Darkness, rima, rima. Evening, manheru, manheru. Morning, mangwanani, mangwanani. Afternoon, masikati, masikati. Noise, as in you are making a lot of noise. So noise, ruja, ruja. Tree, muti, muti. Leaf, as in the leaves on a tree. So leaf. Shija, shija. Yes, this one is a bit complex, but it's shija. Root, as in the root of a tree. Mudzi, mudzi. Music, mumanzi, mumanzi. So this brings us to the end of our video series, and I hope you liked our video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Tatenda.